growth targets. In the comparison charts, we've got two sets of percentages that are going to appear. Obviously they're not showing in this demo because I haven't got the data. We've got an 88% there is one of the values, and we'll also get another one. What you'll also have is a dotted black line that will show across the chart, and that will show the minimum monthly growth expectation. So if you have a look down the bottom, it's actually in the key. When you load yours up, it should populate fine, but obviously I haven't got the links in this particular demo. So that black line, we've set a target of 2% growth, so it's at 102% currently. So the idea is that anything above that dotted line is in line with your expectations. Anything below isn't hitting, obviously, that target. So that's a very quick and easy visual way to see exactly how you're growing according to the scale that you need. Now, the only data that you need to look at for setting those particular targets is in a separate spreadsheet. So I've actually got a spreadsheet called Brochure Growth Targets, and we've got separate targets for each of the branches across the months. So we started off in January 2012, take it out to the end of 2014. Again, as with everything else, that can be extended closer to the time if you need to take it out any further. With each of these branches, I've currently put 102% across the board, or apart from Intellect, which I put in just to show a variation, so you can see it on your examples. If you want to change any of these particular percentages, so for example, if in July you decided to up it from a 2% growth to a 4% growth, simply just overtype any of the data within this spreadsheet and save it, and the brochure dashboard will pull in that data and will amend the charts automatically. The reason we've got each of the branches instead of having one figure overall is you may obviously want different growth targets for different branches. Obviously your branches are at different levels of progression, and the growth may be expected more in certain areas than others. So this way you can tailor it directly to the branches that you've got. So simply overtype any of the data within this particular spreadsheet, and when you load up the brochure and update links, it'll pull in the data that you've changed.